Hi guys, teacher Yami here. Today we're gonna study past participles. So past participles can sometimes act as adjectives when the subject of a sentence is already related to another verb. There are some steps to find the participles and are to first find the subject and the verb to eliminate them and then decide which part of the sentence the participle belongs to. Now, how to identify the subject, object, and verb in a sentence. So a subject is usually a noun that names a person, place, or thing. For example, I. The verb usually follows the subject and identifies an action or a state of being. For example, eat. And an object, in addition to serving as subjects, nouns can also function as objects in a sentence instead of performing the action as subjects usually do. Hey guys, teacher Yami here. We're gonna study participle adjectives. A participle adjective is an adjective that comes from a verb's participle form, and there are two types. The first one is present participles ending in ing, and the second one is past participles, usually ending in ed or en. For example, exciting from the verb excite and excited are participle adjectives. They describe nouns like exciting movie or excited person. In grammar, a participle is a form of a verb that shares features of both verbs and adjectives. So it's participating in both functions. For example, running is a verb in she is running, but as a participle adjective in the running water. It describes the noun water. Also, for instance, in a dedicated teacher, dedicated describes the noun teacher. It comes from the verb dedicate, but here it's acting like an adjective rather than expressing a past action. Another example in she dedicated her time to studying. Dedicated is a past action because it tells what she did. But in she is a dedicated student, dedicated describes student, so it's a participle adjective. So always look for what the word is doing in the sentence. If it's describing, it's an adjective. If it's telling what happened, it's a verb. Hi guys, teacher Yami here. Participle. What is a participle? It is a verb form that can function as an adjective or help form verb tenses. For example, the broken window. Broken is a past participle describing the window. In is running, running is a present participle that helps form the present continuous tense. But what is a verb form? A verb form is a version of a verb that shows its tense, mood, voice, or aspect. For example, the verb to walk. It can take different forms like walk, walked, or walking. Each form gives information about when the action happens or how it's being expressed. Thank you guys. See you next time.